If you are new to Las Vegas and planning to purchase a home here and moving from out of state, how do you find out if you're in a safe neighborhood? One of the things to do is drive by the property of your choice at night or sometimes in the weekends. Is it a rowdy neighborhood? Lots of parties going on? Is it noisy? And you can also go to these websites. These are crime maps, this one in particular, and I'll put the links in the description below, is your crime map for North Las Vegas. Here's one for the city of Henderson, and another one for the Las Vegas Metropolitan Police Department. Play around with this, especially when you type in the address of your choice. Compare it to where you're living in right now. So you have at least a perspective of what's the difference in the crime mapping at the place that you're living in currently and at the prospective place that you're going to buy. All right. Thanks. Have a nice day. Bye bye.